Before you consider buying Angelbliss, there are a few crucial things you need to know to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Angelbliss might be one of the top contenders in its market, but it's not the only one out there. So, in this video, we'll dive into what sets it apart from its competitors, and I'll share some insider tips that will save you time and money. Stick around till the end, because I'll also tell you how to get the best offer for the product and try it completely free. Next thing to know, Angelbliss prides itself on its sleek design and user-friendly interface. Unlike many competitors that often overwhelm you with complicated setups and dashboards, Angelbliss streamlines everything. It's designed for simplicity, meaning you don't need to be tech-savvy to start using it. This is a huge advantage if you're someone who values ease of use and getting straight to business without navigating through layers of menus. While platforms like XYZ may seem more powerful, their complex systems can cause frustration. The third thing you should know is that Angelbliss offers a comprehensive suite of features right out of the box, which makes it a one-stop shop for everything you need. From automation tools to advanced analytics, Angelbliss packs a punch without requiring additional costly plugins or third-party integrations. Many alternatives on the market either require upselling or additional modules, which means you end up paying more over time. But with Angelbliss, what you see is pretty much what you get, and you'll get full access to the core features. Now here's the fourth thing. Angelbliss doesn't just stop at good looks and an all-in-one package. The customer support is top tier. Whether you run into an issue or have a question, their response time is fast, and the team is genuinely helpful. In comparison, many of the competitors out there have sluggish support or offer only basic self-help resources. Having reliable customer support can be a game changer, especially if you're using Angelbliss for business-critical operations. Next, we need to talk about pricing. While Angelbliss isn't the cheapest product on the market, it's certainly a strong competitor when compared to similar products in its category. Many of Angelbliss's competitors charge hidden fees or raise prices after an initial offer, which can be frustrating for customers in the long run. With Angelbliss, there's more transparency in their pricing, and the value you're getting is well worth the investment. Plus, when you sign up through the link below, you get the best possible deal and can even try it for free. That's a great way to test out all its features without any financial commitment up front. The sixth thing you need to know is that Angelbliss excels in security. In today's digital world, safeguarding your data is more important than ever. Whether you're managing sensitive customer information or just trying to keep your business secure, Angelbliss provides top-notch security features. They're constantly updating their system to prevent any breaches or data leaks, and that's something some of its competitors have struggled with. With Angelbliss, you can trust that your data is in good hands. Finally, let's talk about scalability. One of the best things about Angelbliss is that it grows with you. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for years, Angelbliss scales effortlessly. Many alternatives only cater to businesses of a certain size, or they become increasingly expensive as you grow. Angelbliss, however, adapts, making it an excellent choice whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a larger operation. If you're thinking about Angelbliss, I highly recommend checking it out. You get access to all the features with no strings attached and can even try it for free. To make sure you're getting the best deal, click the first link in the description below for your exclusive offer. Don't miss out.